So I'm starting off with my eyes already primed, and don't mind that red stuff under my eye, y'all. I had started out with a different look, but I didn't like it, so I wiped it away. But I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Uncensored lipstick and just put that all over my eye and blend it out. Next, I'm going to hop into my Sophx palette from Makeup Revolution and jump into that red shade 21 and use it to blend out the Fenty lipstick. I'm using the NYX Matte liquid liner, and I'm just lining underneath like on my waterline, y'all. I'm not lining my whole eye. Here I'm jumping into my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm taking that red shade and using it to set the lipstick on my eyes. Here I'm taking my LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer and just using that to give my eyes some shine, y'all. I love this stuff. I primed my under eye off camera with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place palette, the Afrique palette, and going into the shade, I think it's called Niger, like Nigeria. And I'm just using that and smoking that out under my eye. So I'm going to go into that silver shade from the same palette and use it for my inner corner. And that's basically the end of the look, you guys. I did my face off camera, as you'll see. And yeah, I'm going to show y'all the outfit that I had on for that day. And happy holidays. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Go.
Okay, that's it.
You was too close.
I was too close?
Yeah.